lovely people, and welcome back to Yeva vlog. My name is Yeva, and today I will show to you and share with you my holiday season, how I was celebrating Christmas and New Year's, what did we cook. I will share with you some recipes. Will share with you some lovely places. I will show you a Christmas market of city of Sheffield. 24th of December we have the most important Christmas dinner in Lithuania, which we call kūčios. You have to eat at least try 12 different dishes until the midnight in order to have a happy new year. I will show you here few Lithuanian traditional recipes. If you want to have all the recipes and try it yourself, I will leave you a link down below in the description box of my blog with all the recipes. During Christmas and Unboxing Day, we cook very traditional home British food, all those carrots and parsnips with the honey. And in between Christmas and New Year, see you next time. Bye.